Hey Glam Crew, it's your girl Nikki the Glam Teacher, and today we have a spring clothing haul from Walmart. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. We talk about everything body positivity, travel, fashion, and I also do reviews. And most importantly, there is no body shaming on my channel. I believe everybody deserves to be loved and appreciated, whether you are natural, surgery body, on a weight loss journey, or gain. So please keep your comments respectful and yeah, stay tuned, watch the full video. So right here, guys, I am trying on a size 14 pair of jeans. I haven't worn a size 14 in quite a long time. Now, I do have a jean try on haul from American Eagle. You can go check that out. But wait, I think I made that for members only. So join my Elite VIP membership where you will catch exclusive videos and content only on YouTube. I do lingerie try on hauls, all of that on the Elite VIP membership. And make sure to check out Walmart for their spring fashion collection. They have a variety of sizes and you can even shop online. My measurements will be in the description box or somewhere along this video so that it is easier for you to shop if you have a body type like mine or if you're shopping for someone else. Okay, Glam Crew. So I have this beautiful two-piece jean outfit set. I will show you the brand and also the size. That way it'll be a little bit easier for you to shop online and find it. Unfortunately, I have noticed Walmart has taken the prices off of their items. So you have to scan it in the app or go to the checkout register to figure out what the pricing is. I kind of don't like that because once I got to the register, I had to like figure out, okay, this costs too much, this isn't budget, and I was putting things back and trying to calculate my budget. I like to know how much I'm spending before I get to the register. So that part I'm still trying to figure out, Glam Crew. Glam Crew. If you want to support my channel for further clothing try-on hauls, you can cash at me. You can send a super thanks here on YouTube. You can hype this video up. Just sharing my video helps a lot because sometimes these try-on hauls do get pretty expensive. But nevertheless, let's keep it moving. So this skirt, it's not stretching. I mean, it's jean material. And honestly, I'm not a jean material type of girly, but this spring collection at Walmart looks absolutely gorgeous. And I noticed that they have a lot of jean material, jean dresses, jean skirt sets, and I mean, it's gorgeous. So I had to try it. Now, it does have belt loops, which I really appreciate, so I can make it a little bit tighter on my waist. But these buttons, y'all, are so hard to snap in place. So hard. And it's kind of rough. This is like the rough jean material, so maybe wash it a few times so it feels a little bit better on your skin. Again, here I go struggling with these buttons, y'all. Let me tell you how frustrated I was. I usually don't even talk when I'm in the store, but listen. I'm not messing with these buttons. These buttons are too hard to get loose. Just imagine if I had my nails on. Like, I've been struggling with these buttons for like 5 minutes. Oh my goodness. No. It's a cute outfit, but no, the buttons. I'm not doing it. Not doing this. The outfit is really cute, like I said. And then I just started playing around, seeing how I could design it in a different way. You know, back in the days, I think like the early 2000s, it used to be a style where you would unbutton your pants and just like have it like folded over. Do y'all remember that style? I think that was really cute. It was around that era when low-rise jeans was like everywhere. And this weight loss definitely got me feeling myself like my waist is starting to really be snatched. So I'm dancing, I'm moving around, making sure the things fit how I like them to fit. I can stretch without it like ripping, or I can bend and pull and still feel comfortable. That is what's most important to me, feeling comfortable in my clothing. Because when I'm comfortable, I'm feeling more confident in what I wear. And then it's just a lot easier for me to be happier. My personality shines a lot brighter. My attitude is happier because I look good. My clothes fit right. And, that's just how I feel. Let me know in the comments how you like your clothes to fit. How do your clothes make you feel? Do you go for outfits that are just trending, or are you looking for something that is just ultimately affordable or comfortable? Right here, y'all, had to do my little dance. Yes, yes, this outfit is cute. I love it. It's stretchy. It's not see-through, not see-through at all. It's long, and I wish it had pockets, but it did not have pockets. A lot of the other outfits that I tried on had little pockets in it. So yeah, that's a little sacrifice with this, but it is very cute. It's giving spring, it's giving Easter Sunday, it's giving let's go on a picnic and enjoy the weather when it's not too hot and not too cold. Let me know in the comments what you think. This outfit fits perfect. Not too big, not too small. It fits well in the chest area. I recommend you get it in your normal size. Now, let's take this off and try on something else. Y'all, when I first got in this dressing room, it was clothes and stuff all over the floor, everywhere, hangers. The mirror is still yucky. I couldn't do nothing about that. But y'all just be doing anything in these try on fitting rooms, okay? Like, clean it up. But that's not my business. I'm not a Walmart worker, anyhow. But I try to be respectful in any area that I'm in. I treat it like it is my own area. I don't like nothing dirty or nothing. But here we go. We got this beautiful bright yellow, or is this like a neon? I think we're gonna go with yellow. Yellow. Now, when I first saw this, I said, ooh, this color is so beautiful. This would be nice for like a light brunch after church, or a nice little family gathering. Something where you just want to stand out a little bit, but in a soft way. Even if you're going for like a wedding date. But Glam Crew, when I put this on, it was like choking my neck. I didn't like how this feel on my neck. And then like the puffiness where it like I was not feeling it. And then the bottoms, this skirt, y'all. It is a size large, and it is from the Free Assembly. Free Assembly in Walmart. It's stretchy. It got like a back bend where it stretches. That elastic is stretching. But let me tell you, I almost cried because I could not get it up, y'all. Like, my face was, mm-mm. It almost did not go up. However, with a little bit of wiggling and jiggling, I was able to ease it on up. But once I got it up, I just was not, I didn't feel it. I didn't like how this looked in the mirror. Is it just me or what? And this is why trying on stuff before you buy it is really important. Or I also like to get inspiration from other women that have similar body types like me. But yeah, mm-mm. And then after I put it on, it just, I feel like the ruffles and it just didn't flow. I feel frumpy, bumpy. I don't feel smooth and curvy and confident. It's given, I don't know what it's given. I can't even think of the words, but I don't think this is for my body type. And it is a tad bit see through. It's see through when you have to like pull it tight. So definitely get this in your normal size or go up a size, because if it's tight, it's going to be a tad bit see-through. And I don't think this outfit is supposed to give that look. But let me know what you think in the comments. It went beyond my knees. Yeah, y'all see me sticking out my tongue? Because I'm not feeling it at all. So let's take this off and try on something different. And Glam Crew, excuse my voice. I am getting over a slight cold, just a little bit. So yeah, let's get on out of this. And then it got tight, y'all. This material has no stretch. So keep that in mind when you're looking to shop for this one. It's not stretchy at all. It didn't feel tight like across my chest, but I felt like I could have used a little bit more breathing room. All right, Glam Crew, if you are still watching, make sure you drop down in the comments some hearts. Let me know what you think about these jeans, because these these are my new favorite jeans. You are going to see me wearing these jeans everywhere. Now, Walmart, let me tell y'all, Walmart did get me with the pricing, because the price is not on here. But I loved it so much, I didn't even look at the price when I rang it up. I did not look at the price. So, hey, go, go. Get it, Nikki. Oh, oh, whine it, whine it. I was moving and grooving in these jeans. I had to make sure that they fit properly and I can do everything, because I'm not coming back to embarrass myself returning these jeans that's too small. But these size 14 fit perfect. And these jeans have no stretch. So when y'all see me trying on like those American Eagle jeans, those jeans got a little bit of stretch. Other type of jeans be having just a tad bit of stretch, especially Fashion Nova jeans. So when I say I can fit a size 14 in jeans, this is a true fit, genuine size 14. No stretch. But look at the flood. Mm, mm, mm. Now, I'm just going to roll them up and pretend like they're not high waters and make them capris. But the way these fit, I had to get them. I had to. Now, let me know in the comments if y'all feel these was high waters. Just a tad bit, a little bit, a little bit. Okay. Okay. But I'm tall. I am 5'8", and I am 220 pounds. 220 pounds. My measurements are going to be in the description box. And you can't tell me these jeans were not made for me. And then it has this beautiful little flower print design in it. Oh, I can't wait to wear these everywhere. You can wear these to church, to work, brunch, the club. These are the universal sisterhood of the traveling pants. All right? Yes. So let's get on this yellow sweater, because when I saw that first yellow outfit, I said, ooh, I like how that yellow is. I don't have no soft yellow anything. So, this whole outfit, yes. Catch me Easter Sunday. Bah, bah, bah. Okay, back to the video, because now that I'm watching the video, y'all, Glam Crew. Okay, okay, okay. So it does have pockets, cute little pockets. It has belt loops if you want to add a belt loop to it. This yellow knit sweater is soft. It has a beautiful collar, and that collar is sturdy. It's not no loose collar. It's giving very professional. It's giving soccer mom. It's giving Sunday school teacher. Yeah. Y'all want to come to church with me? Sunday school teacher right there. Ayy, ayy, ayy. Glam Crew, thank you for watching this clothing haul. Stick around to the end because it's not over. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Share this video. Share this video with another plus size girly or someone who's interested in some spring fashion. I have another haul coming up with just spring dresses. Take that to the Easter egg hunt. Right here, I'm just thinking about, should I get it? Should I not? And I got it. I got it, y'all. Got it. The sweater is super soft. It stretches. It has like that little keyhole flower design. It doesn't show off too much. I wouldn't say this is see-through at all. I love it. You can button it up or down, show a little razzle dazzle, but I don't think a little razzle dazzle is needed. This outfit is simple and refreshing as is.